Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this holiday glam look using the Doseofcolors palette from iluvsarahii. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. So I did my face already and my eyebrows, and we will start with the palette. I am using Finders Keepers, and I will apply it on my crease to manage my transition shade. So now we will be going with the darker shade. It says Poquito Más on the palette. And we will continue to add it to the same crease. Now I'll start blending up to my brow bone. And we will blend the harsh lines. So here I went ahead and added a darker shade, a brown shade. I used the Prism palette from Anastasia in the shade Parallel to deepen the color up more. So I went back with the same pattern from Anastasia. I am using Parallel and a little bit of Obsidian. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. To darken it more because I want it a little bit more darker. And I will blend that up together. We will do the same technique in the other eye and continue to blend it up. So now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cut my crease or just to the halo center of the eye. We will tap that concealer in to set it and bam, bam, bam. See? Just like that. And continue to do the same as in the other eye. So now I'm going back in with the Poquito Más from the Doseofcolors palette. And with the Parallel from Anastasia to smooth up the harsh lines on the concealer. So I am adding Palma to my center lid from the Dose of Color. On camera it looks bluish, but it's like a pretty emerald color in person. So if you wet your brush, you get more pigmentation on your lid. So I went ahead and added the black glittery shade from the iluvsarahii palette, and I don't know how to pronounce it, in the corners of my eyes to give it more glam to the look. And now we will sharpen the eye look, correcting it with concealer. We will clean it up. I'm just adding the parallel shade from the Anastasia palette on my under eyelid. So I applied my lashes already. I am using the Xo.beautylashes in Medusa. And I will be using in my own inner corner the Waterlust as my, what is it called? Tear dot. And on my brow bone. Here I'm using a bronzer from Purcosmetics. I don't know the name of it. I got it in one of my BoxyCharm palettes. And I am adding the e.l.f. Cosmetics, the FIJI matte blush. And here's where I wanted to wipe everything off. I went ahead and added the lipstick from the same holiday collection from Doseofcolors in the color Aesthetic. Aesthetic. I don't know how to pronounce it. So this is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed it. The highlight is the same that I use for my inner corner and the brow bone. Look at this. It's from the I hope you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.